Okay, so in this first video, I'm going to give you an idea of the different modules and capabilities in Offaly Multiphysics UI, and in the future videos, I will give you demo of for specific applications and devices. Okay, so in general, Offaly has five modules. You could break it down like that. So the first one is the modeler. In this module, we are going to do obviously the geometry. So we can build the geometry from points and lines, faces, volumes, that kind of thing. And we have different options. And of course, we could also import geometry or as like a mathematical description of it. Okay, so for the second module, which they call analysis data, we have this is where you will define like boundary conditions, loads and constraints, and you will define your material and like the multiphysics nature of it, like mechanics, whatever is your problem, you can decide here, choose here. Okay, and in the next section we have in the module we have the mesh module, where we can decide like set basic meshes on the device, or if you prefer, you can also import the mesh. That is also a possibility. Okay, and we are also working on importing from GDS, which we will add to it very soon. Okay, and next, after we are done setting up the problem, is basically the solver. So here is like where you will have your will define the solver basically. So if it's linear, nonlinear, what's the convergence criteria, that kind of thing. And then after that, we would have convert and launch. And finally, of course, in the result module is where you will view the result and export it, that kind of thing. And we have different ways that we contours, vectors, that kind of thing. And we will show you in the future videos. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I think you would also like to know that in the help and tutorials, we also have a lot of different information and documentation uh, that you can try, and like even step-by-step tutorials of how to make devices. So you can see every single step is documented here. Or in addition, you also have like all the documentation about the behavior, how like it's coded, what are the different physics behind it, each option. You can find all of that here. So like this is by domain of analysis, and like different things you have, the modules, you can view, and there's explanation for almost everything. So the documentation is very wide. It supports many applications and different uses also. Okay, yeah, and there's also like a search function here. So yeah, okay, thank you.